Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to do the DRMF Info Wirewell L1 support test and the Amazon Prime HD support test comparison between all of these four smartphones which I got right now. Yes friends, starting with the iQOO 3, iQOO 7, Realme X1 Max and the Mi11X device. So this is a video which I am trying to do after the recent software updates these mobile phones have received. Yes friends, so let's see which phone has got what type of L1 certification or L3 certification. Sometimes with the software updates this can be slightly tricky because in the DRMF info it will show L1, but in the Amazon Prime when you're trying to watch it won't show any HD or no 1080. Yes, that did happen with the Realme X1 Max. So after the software update I was unable to play Amazon Prime HD, but in the DRMF info it's showing L1. So after the complete factory reset of the phone, the problem got solved. Yes, finally I was able to play that. So let's see what is happening with other phones as well, software updates. That is what I'm going to compare side by side in one single video. So in case if you like my videos and if you want me to support that, definitely make sure to donate some amount to this number, PhonePe, GPay or Paytm. That will be really great because I need to buy a lot of other smartphones which a lot of other users are actually requesting me to buy. So right now at this moment I'm really interested to buy the upcoming phones like OnePlus Nord 2, Realme GT and other phones, but only the money, I just need some money to buy the phones. That is the reason friends I'm trying to ask you. So this for the first time I started to ask, and already few of the subscribers they did already donate me some money, and I'm trying to write the names as well in every video. I'll try to show you, and thank you all who have donated. And let's see the L1 certification in each and every phone. In the iQOO 3 I'm getting the L1 certification completely in the DRMF info, no problems at all, as you can see here. Now let me try to show you another phone which is the iQOO 7 smartphone. Even in the iQOO 7 as well I'm getting the L1 certification, no issues in terms of the certification in the wideband L1 support. Now let me try to show you the Realme X1 Max. So let me try to open the DRMF info and just scroll down, and here you can see friends, as you can see L1 certification which is present as well. That's perfect. Let's see in the Mi11X device what is the L1 certification, whether it's present or not in the DRMF info. As you can see right now, you can see the security level L1 perfectly done, even in the Mi11X as well, as you can see friends. Now let me try to open the Amazon Prime videos in all the four smartphones at same time. As you can see friends, right now I did open the Amazon Prime application in all the four smartphones. Now I'll try to play the same movie in all the phones, so I'll try to show you exactly what is happening. Let me try to start first with the iQOO 3 device. Let's see in the iQOO 3 whether we'll be able to see any kind of HD or not. So this is a movie which is a Tomorrow War, which is also kind of really good movie. I did like. So let me try to kind of fast forward and see. Right now I'm getting HD and 1080. As you can see friends, HD and 1080 clearly you can see here in the Amazon Prime in the iQOO 3 smartphone. As you can see, this is exactly I'm trying to watch in this phone. As you can see, perfectly done. So iQOO 3 I was able to get the 1080 and HD perfectly alright, no issues. And let's check the iQOO 7 device. Let's see in this phone whether we'll be able to see it HD or not. And we are seeing HD, and let me try to fast forward, then we'll be able to see 1080 as well. When it's, as you can see right now we are seeing 1080 as well. As you can see the same movie I'm trying to play, 1080 perfectly done, as you can see friends. So no issues in the iQOO 7 as well. Let's move to the next phone which is a Realme X1 Max. Let's see in the Realme X1 Max whether the Realme X1 Max can play it or not. Same movie I'm trying to open, and I'm trying to show you in front of the camera. Let me do slightly forward, and then I'll try to show you HD and 1080. We should be able to see it. As you can see, even the Realme X1 Max, same movie, it's showing HD and 1080. As you can see friends, perfectly done, no issues at all, no problem. And now in the Mi11X device, let's see what is happening. And some of the users they did report in the Mi11X device their phones were unable to get 1080 and the HD in this in the phone in the Mi11X device. The same thing is happening even in the My Unit as well friends. As you can see, after the recent software update, from the past few weeks also I'm not unable to play the full HD videos, even though we are seeing the L1 certification, but still I was unable to play. As you can see friends, still I connected to the same Wi-Fi network. I selected the best quality as well. As you can see friends, everything, the quality also set to the highest as well during this Wi-Fi connection. I connected to the Wi-Fi only, but still I was unable to get that kind of problem. As you can see HD. So this is the problem is right now happening in the Mi11X device at this moment. And in case if you have the Mi11X smartphone, and in case if you are not unable to play this kind of HD Prime videos mainly, so make sure to let me know in the comment section below. That will be really helpful, and I just want to see how many users are facing this kind of issue, even my unit or all the units. That is what I am going to just check it. So thank you for watching this video friends. This is a small video which I thought of just making it really short and sweet within 5 minutes of time. So because a lot of users they are telling me that why are you making very long and lengthy videos, that's why I decided to keep most of the videos, keep it close to 5 minutes of time exactly. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to donate some money for my future phones. That will be really helpful friends. See you in the next video, and stay tuned. Bye.